Cessna Tower, Cessna 52436. Can we come back for a full stop, please? Cessna Tower, Cessna 52436. Can we please come back for a full stop? Glendale Tower, Cessna 52436. We got an engine failure. I'm going to do my best, but I think I might have to put it down in Goodyear. Yes, I think we are going to have to declare an emergency. I'm going to switch over to Goodyear's frequency, 52436.
2491, runway 21, clear, touch to go.
Runway 21, clear, touch to go, line 491.
Engine failure. I'm going to be doing my best.
This is 52436, Goodyear Tower. This is Goodyear Tower. If you'd like to straight in for runway 21, that's approved.
Alright, straight in for runway 21, 52436.
2491, cancel landing clearance, make a left 360.
Left 360, line 491.
436, runway 21, clear to land. Do you require any additional assistance?
At the moment, no, we're going to do our best to make it there, 52436. Goodyear Tower, Cessna 52436. It looks like we're not going to make it there.
This is 436, roger, kind intention.
We're going to be looking for a spot to put it down on the road if we can, 52436.
This is 436, roger. Your wind is calm, altimeter 29er 3. 2491, continue making left 360 until advised, climb at or above 2,500.
At or above 2,500, we'll keep these 360s going, but 491.
It's 436, confirm you are unable to make the runway 21. You appear to be about a mile and a half final for runway 21.
Confirmed at the moment, I'm going to do my best. We had a complete engine failure, so we're going to have to put it down here, 52436.
That's 436, roger. 436, how many souls on board?
2 souls on board, this is 52436. I'm going to put it down in this third field here.
Setting it down where?
On this third field, just north.
Roger. That's 436. You don't have to respond, just advise me on the ground. It's 54326, Goodyear Tower.
Goodyear Tower, did you say she was going to put it somewhere down in the north?
Yeah, she put it down on a field to the north of us. Did you have her inside at all?
No, we didn't have her in sight rolling out of the 360. And when we were turning base, we were looking for any field she might be in, so we can try and look when we go back around.
2491 negative. Make it a full stop. Runway 21, clear to land.
Full stop, clear to land, runway 491.